In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Gcash account from lost phone. If you've misplaced your phone or it was stolen, acting quickly helps protect your funds and personal information. I'll walk you through the exact path inside the official Gcash Help Center so you can request a block on your account right away using any other device, like a friend's phone, a tablet, or a computer. Start by opening a web browser on a trusted device and go to the official Gcash Help Center. Make sure you're on the legitimate site to keep your information safe. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Your Account. This is where Gcash keeps guides and tools related to securing and managing your account. Inside your account, find and select Login Tips and Issues. This area covers common access problems and it includes security concerns. From there, choose the option for Lost or Stolen. This is the dedicated page for situations exactly like this, and it's designed to help you protect your account as fast as possible. On the Lost or Stolen page, carefully read the instructions provided. The Help Center will guide you through the steps to report your device as lost or stolen and to request that your Gcash account be blocked from that phone. Follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked for essential details to help identify your account and verify the request. Provide only what the page asks for and double-check that everything is accurate before submitting. If the page offers a form or a button to proceed, use it to complete your request. When you finish, you may receive a confirmation or a reference number. Keep that in a safe place so you can track the status of your request if needed. A few quick tips as you go through this. Use a secure internet connection and a device you trust. Do not share any one-time codes with anyone and only enter information directly on the official Gcash Help Center site. If the interface looks a little different on your device, the key path remains the same. Your account, then login tips and issues, then lost or stolen, and then follow the instructions shown there. That's it. By using the Help Center path I just covered, you can promptly request a block on your Gcash account from a lost phone. Stay safe, and once you have access to your account again on a new or recovered device, return to the Help Center for guidance on restoring normal access.